Welcome to this quick and updated guide on how to allow everyone to call you on Telegram. If you've ever missed calls because your privacy settings were too restricted, or you want to make yourself more reachable, this setting is exactly what you need. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your Telegram app. Once you're on the main screen, look for the menu icon. Depending on your device, this could be the three horizontal lines in the top corner, or your profile icon. Tap on it to open the menu. Next, go ahead and tap on Settings. This is where you control everything related to your account, including privacy, notifications, and more. Inside Settings, find and tap on Privacy and Security. This section manages who can see your information and how others can interact with you on Telegram. Now, tap on Calls. Here, you'll see options that determine who is allowed to call you on Telegram. To make sure everyone can reach you, select Everybody. This setting allows any Telegram user to call you without restrictions. After selecting Everybody, make sure your choice is applied. In most cases, Telegram saves this automatically, but it's always good to double-check that the option is active. And that's it. You've successfully updated your settings so anyone on Telegram can call you. This is especially useful if you're using Telegram for business, networking, or staying accessible to a wider audience. Just keep in mind that opening calls to everyone might increase the number of incoming calls, so adjust it anytime if needed. If you found this helpful, make sure to explore more Telegram tips to get the most out of the app.